movie theaters at 25% capacity will help prevent the need to raise more cash. Plus,
Come on. Tesla, what did we close at? I'm going to pull this up really quick, guys. $5.99. Damn. AMC, 8:15 after hours. Come on. We still have this live here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Amazon buyout, guys. You guys think Amazon buys him out? He walks in with Jeff Bezos with the spacesuit. Let's go. Here we go. We're back.
Movie theaters in New York
Let's go,
City
baby.
reopening today after being closed for nearly a whole year due to the pandemic. There will be restrictions, though, in place, including limiting venue capacity to 25%, requiring assigned seating, masks, of course. AMC is one of the theaters set to benefit from the reopening. The stock has seen a huge bump, has been a big beneficiary of the Reddit retail trading frenzy, rallying by now nearly 280% this year. Joining us now for more in his closing bell exclusive is AMC Entertainment CEO Aron. Welcome back. Boy, do we have a lot to talk about, Adam.
All right, here we go.
First,
Hi,
just on the
Sarah.
reopening
Nice
of
to
New
be
York
with
City.
you. Hey, New York
Nice
City
to have
is
you here. New York. Well, but my question on New York City, Adam, was whether you're going to get major movies, because New York and LA have been closed, and that's been, obviously, those are two huge, really important markets. But New York at only 25% capacity, LA still closed. Are you going to get the big ticket items, movies?
Yes. So look, today is such a great day for AMC. Across the country, as the largest movie theater chain in the United States, about 90% of our theaters are open, but nothing is more important to us than opening in New York and Los Angeles. We're opening New York City, 13 theaters tonight. 29 theaters in New York State will be open tonight. Our theaters in New York City have been closed, as you said, for 50.5 weeks. And just to show you what it means to have pent-up demand, across the 500 plus theaters that are open this weekend for AMC, 2 of the 3 biggest theaters in the country with advanced sales are in New York City. 7 of the top 20 theaters in the country in terms of advanced ticket sales are in New York City. And we think New York is first, but we think LA is 2, 3, 4 weeks behind. What that means for us is a lot of new movie titles are coming out. I could rattle off a long list of major titles that are coming out real soon.
So let's talk about the Reddit retail trading phenomenon, Adam. I don't think we've had you on since that's happened. What was that like to watch your stock price spike as it became a meme stock, number 2 right under GameStop? And do you embrace it? Do you embrace it?
Well, look, obviously there's been significant volatility in our share price, and I'm aware of what's going on, but my focus has been on managing our business and driving the recovery of our business. What I find so appealing about this Reddit phenomenon is the affection and allegiance that Americans have across the country to AMC, to movie going, to seeing movies at theaters. You're seeing millions and millions of people rally behind saving AMC.
do you think that was their motivation, Adam?
Oh, I don't think it's appropriate for me to comment in great detail about the Robinhood and Reddit phenomena. Suffice it to say that with movies like Raya opening this weekend, Paramount's A Quiet Place 2 moving into Memorial Day weekend, Sony just bringing Peter Rabbit earlier into May, Top Gun 2 going to christen the 4th of July weekend, Universal's F9, the latest Fast and Furious installment. You know, there are so many movies that are about to break. So many studios pulled movies from 2020 and delayed them to 2021. They're finally at hand. Theaters are opening. Titles are coming. And perhaps most important of all, we've got vaccinations happening all across the United States. Add that all together, add that to the safety protocols that we put in place at our theaters. I actually see good times ahead for AMC.
Have you, though, Adam, raised more cash than you would have otherwise done, or raised more cash than you even need because of the artificially inflated share price because of the Reddit frenzy?
So the incredible irony of all this is that between April and January, AMC raised about $2.2 billion of cash, another $1.5 billion of concessions from lenders and landlords. And of that $2.2 billion of cash that we raised, 99% of it occurred before the so-called Reddit rally. Are we done raising cash? We haven't decided yet. We know that we've got enough cash in our bank now to last a long time if we see even a partial recovery of the movie theater industry this summer. And that's what we'd like to expect, thanks to movie titles and vaccinations and safe, clean theaters.
Well, no question. It also helped you slash your debt load by $600 million, Adam. So it was helpful in that sense. The bigger question, though, is if this fades, the retail Reddit rally, if they get out of stocks like this, and if it's a really slow road to recovery, what is the long-term picture for your business and for your industry?
All right, this is the key right here. This is the key.
Well, the way I've lived since last March, when we went from having $5.5 billion of revenue annually to no revenues at all, long-term planning for me has been a week from Thursday. And we have been fighting for the very survival of this company. As you know, 5 different times we were within 6 to 12 weeks of running out of cash. But look at what we've accomplished. We raised over $2.2 billion of cash. Here we are, and we're open, and we're poised to see the vaccinations occur, poised to see new titles hit our screens, poised to see moviegoers come back to our theaters. If we can successfully drive a recovery of our industry, then I don't think we have anything to worry about for the long-term future.
Why did the Chinese sell out, Adam?
Actually, the Chinese, when you say the Chinese, you're referring to our largest shareholder, which is Wanda. And Wanda has only sold 2 million shares, to my knowledge, in the past 2 years. What occurred with Wanda is that they agreed that for the survival of this company, which they thought was of vital importance, this great, proud American company, 100 years old, that we needed to issue more stock to raise cash. And so they were diluted down, but they still own, I think it's 44 million shares, and they're the largest shareholder of AMC currently. But whereas they own 50% of AMC 6 months ago, they own 10% of AMC today.
Got it. Adam, Aron, thank you for joining.